Now, so a lot of people wonder, so if I stop eating, there's a lot of things out there that will say fasting can cause your body to store fat because your body's like not eating. So it's thinking, oh, I'm going into starvation mode. I have to store fat. Like, what do you say to those people?
Well, again, it would be about like if you looked at how many people are losing weight doing intermittent fasting, it's you can't say that, right? Now, do I think that your body, once you start doing extended fasting for 3 days or more, then I do believe that your body is going to then at that point, store onto a little bit because it's afraid that it doesn't want you to go into starvation mode. So I do believe that once you start going for really longer extended fasts, that will happen. But absolutely not. I mean, again, it's living proof. Like, would you say since you started doing intermittent fasting, you're living proof? How much weight have you lost?
Oh gosh, I've lost like 50 pounds.
Yeah. Doing 50 pounds doing intermittent fasting. So it's like, okay, this is a perfect testimonial. And anyone who's lost weight with intermittent fasting will tell you the same thing. So when they say these studies and so forth, it's just
Yeah.
not true.